Okay, so here's how I can use this structure block to import in new assignments every day for the kids. Now, the kids have been building um, using these spaces in Minecraft, and each day I'm going to be bringing in a new, more advanced like obstacle course for them to code their agent to walk through. This first one in front of us is just making their agent move from one block 10 blocks further to the end block, and just learning the basic steps of doing coding. This next one, and I'm taking these from another, like in Minecraft, they have some pre-built templates, and I love the coding template that's out there. So I'm taking one piece at a time and putting it in here, and, and I'm doing it in my world because out there in the way it's set up, it's an individual world, and I want my kids all together in one big area where I can watch them and be with them and see their progress. So let me take you up high a little bit here. You can see my world, and this world is where my kids work. This is the row in front of me that we're looking straight down. The column is my coding column. To the left side is my creative column where we're doing um, learning how to build in certain ways. So, and you can see step one, step two. You can see where I've pasted in the second step in the coding that they're going to be doing, which is going to be making their agent move through a maze and make turns to get to the end locations that they have to get to. So, with that said, um, to move this stuff, there's a tool called the structure block, which I'll explain in another video in more detail. But basically, I can take that block and I can paste it in place, and I can import a structure that I've loaded onto my hard drive on my Windows device. So from this, I'm going to go over here to import, find that code that I made, which is named it turns. I'm going to grab it, import it. It's going to put it in a section like you see here. And then I just click on load, and then it puts it in. So that effectively just transferred a file that I pulled off of that other site, that other world, into a local file on my Windows machine, and then paste it into this world. And I can do that repetitively. As you can see, I've repetitively pasted that in each one of their workspaces. And then just go back and do the next one and the next one and the next one until I'm all finished. So just to show that process again, I'll be here, place a structure block, click it, do load, go down here, import, grab the turns, and then do load, and there it is.